Hey guys, Chronic here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to upload your single player world. So first off, I'm going to start by creating myself a world, M.H.S. tutorial world. Right. So let's just create a world. We're going to build a little something in the game just to kind of give a landmark of it's the actual map that I'm pulling over. So we're just going to let this sit and generate a second. And I'll just sit here and whisper sweet nothings into your ear. So I want to know how you guys are going. Like, let me know down in the comments how your day is going. And yeah, we're about 10%, 16% done. A little bit slow because I'm recording at the same time. Don't like me, I know. 50% done. Let's get it going. And yeah, 71%. We're getting there, boys. 81, 85, 88. And 100%. Alrighty, Roo. Joining world. Alrighty, so let's just oh my, the lag. Okay, I can't play games and record at the same time. This is no bueno. So we're just doing a little digging. Gonna build me a little tower, right? Bomb. Alright, so save and quit to the title. Now that our world is created, we go and hit start, go into the typey section, type in %app data %, and it'll pop up a folder there. You go on there, and it popped up on my other monitor here. So we go into .minecraft here. Then we go into saves, and we will see our new world right here. Now, what we want to do is we want to rename this to world. No caps. Once that's done, you want to create a new zip archive, and you're just going to want to name that whatever. Upload. Why not? Drag, and drop. That'll do its due. And now what you're going to want to do is go into your file manager. Actually, first you're going to want to stop your server. And once that is done, go into your file manager and delete these 3 worlds, and only do this if you want to transfer over your server or if you have nothing to save. And go ahead and delete that. Then you're just going to want to drag the zip in there like that. Upload.zip, you're going to want to right click that. Let me full screen. You're going to want to right click upload.zip, hit unarchive, and there it is right there. And you're going to want to delete the zip archive afterwards. Delete file. Now when you start up, you'll notice something that looks like errors, but it's just telling you that it's converting it to how servers are supposed to be using the world file structure. So any day now. Takes a second on startup. Alright, that's what this is here. Migration of old nether folder required. Unfortunately, due to the way that Minecraft implemented multi-world support in 1.6, Bucket requires you to move your nether folder into a new location in order to operate correctly. We will move this folder for you, but it will mean that you will need to move it back should you wish to stop using Bucket in the future. Honestly, we use something called Spigot, which is a fork of Bucket, and that is a lot more... Actually, no, hold on. So we use a server file called paper, which is a fork of Spigot, which is a fork of Bucket. But in the end, it's just more stability, less lag, and yeah. But that's that, and then we go into here, multiplayer. Let me edit this. That's from an old. So we go play dot fresh. There we go. Connecting to the server. And there's our tower we built now. And that does it for this tutorial. I hope you guys have an amazing morning, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.